If you've browsed through YouTube anytime in the past 5 years, there's a pretty good chance that you've seen BlendTec blenders before. The company has made a name for itself by blending everything from iPhones to big liars on camera, but pulverizing a smartphone doesn't necessarily mean a blender will make you a good smoothie. To see how BlendTec's blenders perform in real-world applications, we brought one of its top-of-the-line models into our kitchen and went berserk. Here's how it went. The first thing you'll notice about this bad boy when you take it out of the box is how damn heavy it is. Most blenders have a fairly hefty base, but BlendTec's Designer 725 is like an anvil, which is a good thing. The heavy bottom keeps it stable, and all that extra heft presumably means a bigger, more powerful motor. It can reduce a brand new iPhone to a pile of dust and make short work of fruit and ice. The setup is more complex than your average blender, mostly because the Designer 725 is equipped with an interface that's not as straightforward as what you'd typically find on a standard blender. It's like upgrading from a car to a spaceship, so be prepared to learn a few new controls. Not to worry though, the first time the machine fires up it'll walk you through all the different functions in an easy-to-follow tutorial. It throws a lot of information at you here, which is a little hard to absorb all at once. But even if you miss something on the first go, the blender's symbols make it fairly easy to figure out on your own. The first feature you're likely to notice after unboxing the Designer 725 is its distinct lack of buttons in place of physical ones. BlendTec outfitted this blender with a big, beautiful touch screen that occupies the machine's entire face. The snappy, responsive touch buttons are also accompanied by a slider, which offers easy and intuitive speed control. Speaking of speed, BlendTec boasts that the D725 offers 100 different speed settings, which is definitely overkill. Are you going to be able to tell the difference between a smoothie made at 98 versus one made at 96? Probably not, although having such a high degree of control over the blade's RPMs is definitely not a bad thing. Even more impressive than the blenders